Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls or OPPO A80. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Google account. And now move to data and privacy, and here you have to scroll all the way down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And then you have to scroll all the way down and you have to check these two checkboxes and click delete account. And as you can see, my account is now removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. And click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Now click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.